ऑलरेडी स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस चैप्टर 2 है। आज आपका ये न्यू चैप्टर है व्हाट इज़ अराउंड अस, हमारे आसपास क्या क्या है उसके बारे में ये चैप्टर है। ठीक है, दिस यूनिट इंट्रोड्यूसेस एनवायरनमेंट। मैन हैज़ ट्राइड टू गो थाउजेंड्स ऑफ किलोमीटर्स टू नो about the elements of nature. He has collected information about the earth by going deep into space, but he has gone hardly 10 kilometers into the earth. After a lot of efforts, he has been able to get only the following information. There are 3 spheres of the earth: troposphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Owing to their combined effect, the fourth one also has been developed, biosphere, according to the information collected by man. Out of the 9 planets of the solar system, life is possible only on the earth. No trace of life is found on the other planets. But for his personal motives, man has not resisted himself to acquire more and more infrastructure. As a result, there have been holes in these coverings. Man has harmed nature a lot. There have been adverse effects on coverings because of human activities. This unit presents a serious problem of pollution. नेक्स्ट इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाती हूँ जो आपको करने हैं। ठीक है, वॉट वुड हैपन इफ वेर नो सीज? सीज आर वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. एवरी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रिक्वायर्स ड्रिंकिंग वाटर टू लिव. द बेसिक सोर्स ऑफ द वाटर इन सीज. प्रेशियस केमिकल्स, मिनरल्स, salt and fish are found from seas. A good deal of living creatures live in seas. Owing to amount of energy from the waves of seas, from the currents of water and from the floods, a lot of electric energy can be availed. Seas are also useful for waterways. Had there not been seas, we would not have got all these advantages. Next question है, on the basis of which experience can you state that the atmosphere exists on the surface of the earth? Answer, with my following experiences, I can say that there is atmosphere around the earth. We breathe in oxygen. Oxygen is inevitable for the entire bio world. Next, number 2, green vegetation breathes in carbon dioxide from atmosphere. The life of living entities on the earth owes to oxygen and nitrogen. The particles in the atmosphere reflect the rays of light, therefore we can have sunlight. Owing to these particles, there is no sudden light on the earth at sunrise, nor is there sudden darkness at sunset. Number 5, owing to the medium of atmosphere, we can hear sound, we can enjoy program of radio and television because of the atmosphere. Next question है, if any element in the living world is destroyed, then what will be its effect on our lives? For instance, what happens if the birds are wiped out from the face of the earth? Around us in water, in atmosphere, and on land there is bio world. Out of them some living species. Birds get extinct. It has major effect on our life. Birds like vulture, crows, etc. Work for cleanliness. If they become destroyed, dead animals cannot be abolished. Flying insects like butterflies carry pollen from flowers and other tiny seeds from one place to another. It may not be possible if the birds wipe out from the face of the earth. Then we cannot enjoy watching beautiful birds. There would also be a hurdle in the food chain of the living. Next question है, locate using various colors the ocean, seas, bays and streams in the world map given above. ओशन एंड सीज, पैसिफिक ओशन, एटलांटिक ओशन, ब्लैक सी, येलो सी, कैप्सियन सी, अरेबियन सी, अराल सी, ओक्तस्का सी, बियरिंग सी, जावा सी, साउदर्न चाइनीज सी, जापानीज सी, इंडियन सी। बेस, बे ऑफ बंगाल, बे ऑफ हडसन। स्ट्रेट्स, पार्क स्ट्रेट एंड गिब्राल्टर स्ट्रेट। गल्फ्स, गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ, गल्फ ऑफ खंबात, गल्फ ऑफ मैक्सिको, गल्फ ऑफ मैनर एंड गल्फ ऑफ ईडन। ये आपको फुल कवरेज द मैप में करना है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करवाऊंगी। ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में करना है।